Hello, my name is Judd Albring, and in this video I will show you what are the ClickFunnels pricing packages. So you have a couple options. I will show you two options first, and then I will show you three more options after this. So the first two options are your standard options. The ClickFunnels 97 a month plan or the startup plan is what most people use. Single entrepreneurs, small shops, small operations, coaches, online marketers, digital marketers, affiliate marketers, and anybody looking to get to do basic funnel building, sales funnel building, to sell your products or services, to build bridge pages, landing pages, and to collect leads. This pretty much has everything you would need. I am a solo agency. I build funnels for clients. I also do affiliate marketing, and I build everything within this standard 97 a month plan. You can see here you have access to share funnels. Share funnels are simply you can build a funnel and share it with a client or share it with somebody, and they can upload it to their account absolutely free. Or if they don't have an account, they can upload it and then start a 14-day trial. You can build up to 20 funnels. Now you can build 20 funnels, archive those funnels, and build 20 more. But you would obviously you have to make room for the other funnels. So the good thing is if you build a funnel, you don't have to delete it to make room. You just archive it, and then if you want to access it, you can access it later. And then you get 100 pages, which can go pretty quick depending on what you're building. So if you're looking to do pretty in-depth funnels and pages for clients, you definitely want to go to the $297 plan, which is now called the ClickFunnels Platinum plan. There you get unlimited funnels, unlimited pages. You can have up to 3 users. You can use 9 payment gateways. You get 9 domains. With the other package, you get 3 custom domains. You get unlimited follow-up emails, so you can do that. You also get, which is like an autoresponder, but now with the 97 plan, you can connect your own autoresponder. So I've done that. I haven't had a problem. One big difference between the 297 plan and the 97 plan is you get priority support with the 297 plan. With this 97 plan, you only get the chat support. So depending on how much help you need, you may want this higher plan. I've been a ClickFunnels user for about 4 years, so I can pretty much solve most problems myself. Okay, and then some of this other stuff is new stuff that's been added. A weekly peer hackathon. I don't think this is live yet. The Funnel Hacker Forum, which is great. You get both access to that. And then here, Funnel Flicks, which is a new training program they launched. It's just coming out now, so I don't have information on that for you. But your basic plan, $97 a month, and then your agency plan or unlimited funnel and pages plan is $297 a month. Now, if you're a new business and you know you want to get started with ClickFunnels, then the Funnel Builder Secrets package is the best way to go. What this does for you is you get the Funnel Hacks Masterclass, Funnel Builder Secrets training, traffic training. You also get 12-month access to Funnel Scripts, which is the copywriting software. It's absolutely fantastic. Unlimited bonuses, 30-day money back guarantee. You get all that, guys, for $19.97. So for example, Lady Boss, if you're familiar with the Lady Boss program, you can Google that, ladyboss.com. Her and her husband went through this program when they started their business, and they knew nothing about funnels. They had no tech experience, nothing. Their organization now is a multi-million-dollar organization, and she is a big user of ClickFunnels and built her entire business on this model. So that's something to keep in mind. And then, of course, here you can go up to higher package, which will give you 12 months of ClickFunnels. You still get all the trainings and everything, and you get the 12-month access to funnel scripts. Now, for those that are, that you've had some experience with ClickFunnels, you know the value of it obviously, and you're ready to rock and roll, and you need a little bit more hands-on, then go with the $5,997 Funnel Builder Secrets package, because you're going to get 8 coaching calls, which is just invaluable. So this is a great program as well. And those are your 5 options, guys, for getting started with ClickFunnels. I will put some links below where you can start a free trial, and you'll get access to the free trial as well as you can look at these different packages. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good one.